In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the total number of characters on your document in Grammarly. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, to find the number of characters on your document, first go ahead and open your document, and I'll open mine here. And here it is. And now if I scroll down, I'll be able to see here the number of word counts. However, I'm not interested in word count, rather I want to find out the number of characters. To see them, go ahead and click on it. And as you can see here, we have a breakdown of the number of words in form of character and reading time. So as you can see, my document has 2058 characters. So that's how you find the total number of characters on your document in Grammarly. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.